class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we have completed unit number 6, that is arts and music. So this was the last unit that we have discussed in the last session. So today again, after your UT1 exams, unit test 1, we are going to start with our syllabus. Okay, I hope that you all had done well, and so you will be getting your results as well. Chaliye, so now we will start with the topic, the next topic, that is unit number 7, that is sports. So the next topic is, the next unit is unit number 7, that is sports. And in this topic sports, we will discuss about the various topics, various subtopics related to the various sports. So you know there are several sports that are being played all over the world. दुनिया में बहुत सारी sports है जो खेली जाती हैं, बहुत सारे खेल खेले जाते हैं. Okay, and we will talk about some of the sports in this unit number 7, though the whole unit is related to sports only. चलिए, so the first topic from the unit number 7 is given at page number 16, that is football fever. So I am just writing the topic here, that is football fever, and this is given at page number, this topic football fever is given at page number 16, that is football fever. चलिए, so देखिए, in this topic football fever we will talk about the various terms, and this topic is totally related to the football game. देखिए, football, before starting with the football, so just think about, if you love football, so just think about one of your फुटबॉल प्लेयर, सो वन ऑफ योर फेवरेट फुटबॉल प्लेयर. देखिए, कुछ फेवरेट फुटबॉल प्लेयर जो बच्चों के होते हैं ज़्यादातर, जैसे कि रोनाल्डो, क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, एंड मेसी, नेमर, दे ऑल, मोस्ट ऑफ दीज, मोस्टली जो ये तीन हैं. ओके, so nowadays these three are the very well known, very popular football player. Okay, so the children, the people, they love football player. जैसे हमारे इंडिया में, इन आर कंट्री इंडिया, द क्रिकेट इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर गेम. सो लोगों को क्रिकेट सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो वैसे ही दूसरी कंट्रीज में बेटा, हर कंट्री में दे हैव देयर ओन नेशनल गेम. ओके, इनकी हर कंट्री की खुद की कुछ नेशनल गेम होती है. दो द नेशनल गेम ऑफ इंडिया इज़ हॉकी. हमारी कंट्री की नेशनल गेम कौन सी है? हॉकी. ओके, बट द पीपल, दे लव वॉचिंग क्रिकेट. ओके, दे आर डाई हार्ट फैन ऑफ द क्रिकेटर्स. तो ऐसे ही हर कंट्री की बहुत सारी स्पोर्ट्स हैं, गेम्स हैं, दैट इज़ द नेशनल गेम्स आर स्पोर्ट्स. सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फुटबॉल. सो मोस्टली द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, द पीपल ऑफ द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, दे लव फुटबॉल. ओके, सो हमारी इंडिया की भी एक फुटबॉल टीम है, एंड सुनील छेत्री इज़ द कैप्टन ऑफ द नेशनल इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम. ओके, but if we compare football with the cricket, so it is least important than the cricket. But nowadays the craze of various sports and games are increasing among the people. आजकल जो लोगों के बीच में अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स और गेम्स का जो क्रेज़ है बढ़ता जा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स हैं, ओके, वो इंडिया में एस्टैब्लिश हो जाते हैं. They are being played by the people, they are being loved by the people. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the football. So what is the football? So there is a paragraph that is given in your book about the football. So let's see what is given here. Football is one of the most popular sports in the world. This game is played between the two teams. Each team has 11 players. The players try to score a goal by kicking the ball into the other team's goal with any part of the body other than arms and hands. So now we are talking about the football. तो देखिए, football, देखिए, football is derived from two words, that is foot and ball. तो बॉल गेन फुट मीन्स पैर एड़ी. तो मोस्टली जो फुटबॉल है दैट इज बीइंग किक्ड बाय द, हमारे जो एंकल है हमारा फुट है उसे बेसिकली जो हमारे फुटबॉल है दैट इज बीइंग किक बाय आर, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, क्या बोलेंगे, फुट. ओके, इसी से इसका नाम क्या बना है, फुटबॉल. जो ऐसी बॉल जिसको फुट से, इसको पैर से किक किया जाता है दैट इज नोन एज फुटबॉल. ओके, नाउ दे हैव गिवन देयर इन दिस पैराग्राफ दे हैज टोल्ड अस अबाउट दी फुटबॉल. कि फुटबॉल क्या है. देखिए, फुटबॉल इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स इन द वर्ल्ड. तो दुनिया में जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स पॉपुलर है उसमें से फुटबॉल भी एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स है. देखिए, चाहे हमारे इंडिया में लोगों में इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं है फुटबॉल, बट ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड दिस फुटबॉल गेम इज सो पॉपुलर. पूरी दुनिया में ये स्पोर्ट्स काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस गेम इज प्लेड बिटवीन द टू टीम्स. सो बेसिकली दिस गेम, दैट फुटबॉल गेम इज बेसिकली प्लेड बिटवीन टू टीम्स. तो कितने लोगों के बीच में खेली जाती है. सो इट इज प्लेड बिटवीन टू टीम्स. सो प्लेड, दिस फुटबॉल इज प्लेड between टू टीम्स. फुटबॉल दो टीम्स के बीच में खेली जाती है. तो फुटबॉल इज प्लेड बिटवीन द टू टीम्स. सेकेंड इज ईच टीम हैज 11 प्लेयर्स. दो टीम्स के बीच में खेली जाती है और हर एक टीम में 11 प्लेयर्स हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स इन ईच टीम इज 11. Okay, so that is 11 players in each team. Okay, so players, the football is being played between the two teams and okay, so each team has 11 players. Next is the players try to score a goal by kicking the ball into the other team's goal with any part of their body other than the arms and the hand. तो देखिए, फुटबॉल में जैसे क्रिकेट में हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, स्कोर्स होते हैं, रन्स होते हैं, ठीक है. तो वैसे ही फुटबॉल में क्या होता है. सो इन द फुटबॉल वी आर हैविंग गोल. फुटबॉल में क्या होता है, गोल. सो बोथ द टीम्स दे ट्राई टू गोल, ओके, इनटू दी. So they want to try to score a goal by kicking the ball, the football, into the goal of the other team, opponent team, with any part of their body other than their hands or their leg, or sorry, hands or their arm. तो कहते हैं कि जो फुटबॉल में बेटा क्या होता है कि दोनों टीम्स के जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे टीम के जो गोल हैं उसमें एक जो बॉल को उसके अंदर भेज के उसमें एक गोल स्कोर करना चाहते हैं. बट फॉर मेकिंग अ गोल, सो दे जस्ट मेक दिस गोल बाय किकिंग द फुटबॉल. तो ये गोल कैसे करते हैं. सो दे जस्ट को किक द फुटबॉल टू मेक अ गोल. बट सो दे कैन किक द बॉल विद एनी पार्ट ऑफ देयर बॉडी. वो अपनी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से बॉल को किक करके दे कैन मेक अ गोल, दे कैन स्कोर अ गोल. बट दे कांट यूज देयर हैंड्स एंड देयर आर्म्स. तो अपने हाथ और आर्म्स को बिना यूज़ किए दे कैन स्कोर अ गोल. Okay, they by kicking the ball into the goal of the other team. Okay, so they kick. So how the goal is scored in the football? The football में goal कैसे score किया जाता है? So the goal is scored by kicking the ball with any part, by kicking the football with any part of their body, okay, into the goal of the opponent team other than hands and arms. So there is no use of arms and hands in football. इसमें no use of arms and hands. इसमें हाथों का और बाजुओं का. Okay, they can't use their hands or their arms for kicking the score into the goal of the opponent team. Okay, चलिए. The next is the world most popular football competition is the FIFA World Cup. This competition is held every 4 years. तो देखिए, जैसे क्रिकेट में वर्ल्ड कप होता है, so just like that there is a FIFA World Cup. Okay, so there is a FIFA World Cup. Okay, so that is a World Cup of football. So FIFA World Cup is the वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ फुटबॉल. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर टूर्नामेंट ऑफ फुटबॉल. तो फुटबॉल का सबसे पॉपुलर टूर्नामेंट कौन सा है? दैट इज फीफा वर्ल्ड कप. सो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर event or the most popular competition of the football, and this is being held after every 4 years. तो ये हर 4 साल पे होता है. So just like the cricket, okay, the cricket में भी जो वर्ल्ड कप होता है, चाहे T20 हो या वनडे वर्ल्ड कप हो, so they held after every 4 years. So just like that, FIFA World Cup, that is a World Cup of football, that is also held after every 4 years. Okay, so वर्ल्ड कप का नाम क्या है? दैट इज फीफा वर्ल्ड कप. फीफा वर्ल्ड कप is organized. FIFA World Cup is organized, not organized, is held. FIFA World Cup is held after. FIFA World Cup is held after every 4 years. FIFA World Cup is held after every 4 years. तो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप हर 4 साल में एक बार होता है. ओके, जस्ट लाइक द वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ क्रिकेट एंड एनी अदर गेम्स. ओके, तो देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स रिवाइज दीज पॉइंट्स एंड देन वी विल टॉक मोर अबाउट द वर्ल्ड कप, सॉरी फुटबॉल. So the first is, okay, the topic is football fever, in which we will talk about the various football players. The first, okay, so, sorry, various football players as well as the terms related to the football. So there are certain rules that one needs to follow while playing the football. Okay, so first of all, football means foot and ball. So football, two words को जोड़ के बना foot and ball. Foot means पैर से जो ball को kick किया जाता है, that is known as the ball which is kicked by the foot, that is known as football. The next is played between two teams. So the football is played between two teams. So football दो teams के बीच में खेली जाती है. Second is 11 players in each team. And in each teams, okay, so देखिए फुटबॉल में 2 teams होती है और हर टीम में कितने players होते हैं? 11. So it is played between 2 teams and each team has 11 players. So football is played between the 2 teams and each team has 11 players. No use of arms and hands. So while playing the football, you can't kick the ball by using your hands or arms. So that means you can use any part of your body except your arms and hands. Next is FIFA World Cup is held after every 4 years. In every 4 years, देखिए, so just like the World Cup of cricket, this FIFA World Cup, that is the World Cup of football, that is also organized after every 4 years. Okay, चलिए next let's discuss about some of the more terms about the World Cup, sorry, about the football. The next is circle and mark on the field the following positions of the football players for each team. Okay, तो देखिए यहाँ पे, okay, so they have mentioned this is a football ground. तो ये एक football ground है. This is a football ground and you can see number of players, 22 players are playing and one referee is also here. And these are the 2 goals. तो इस टीम को इधर गोल करना है, इस वाली टीम को इधर गोल करना है. So they are going to score goal in the opposite goal. Okay. So देखिए here. So other than 11 players, okay, so there are 11 players भी होते हैं. इसके अलावा there is also one goalkeeper is also there. So one goalkeeper is also there. Okay, तो जो कि एक दूसरे की टीम की जो गोल के बिल्कुल सामने खड़ा होता है एंड वो दूसरी टीम के बॉल को अपने टीम के गोल में आने से रोकता है. ठीक है, तो चलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दिस tidbit that is given here. The first is football is also known as soccer, which is the short form of association football. This game is different from the American football. देखिए फुटबॉल को सॉसर भी कहा जाता है. सो फुटबॉल गेम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सॉसर. एंड दिस सॉसर वर्ड, जो ये सॉसर वर्ड है, दिस इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन फुटबॉल. ओके, चलिए. सो हियर द नेक्स्ट ऑन द पेज नंबर 17 you can see the three pictures. So you can see three pictures. These are the one of the greatest footballers of the world. Okay, so let's write down their name along with their country. So first picture, देखिए देखिए okay, nowadays three players जो मैं मतलब basically मैं जानती हूँ, that is Neymar, second is Lionel Messi and the third is Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, so देखिए first picture. So who is this? Who is he? He is Neymar Jr. He is Neymar Jr. and he is from Brazil. So कौन सी country को belong करते हैं? He belongs to Brazil. Ronaldo is also from Brazil. Okay, so the first picture is of Neymar Jr. N-E-Y-M-E-R. That is Neymar Jr. J-R. And he is from Brazil. He is from Brazil. Moving next to the second one. So who is in the second picture? The second picture किसकी है? So he is Lionel Messi. He is Lionel Messi and he is from Argentina. He is from Argentina. देखिए Lionel Messi, L-I-O-N-E-L. Lionel Messi, M-E-S-S-I. Messi, and he is from Argentina. A-R-G-E-N-T-I-N-A. He is from Argentina. He is from Argentina. Third picture, who is he? So he is Zlatan Ibrahimovic and he is from Sweden. So this is another very popular football player of Sweden. And he is Zlatan Ibrahimovic and he is from Sweden. तो लिखिए, that is Zlatan, Z-L-A-T-O-N, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, I-M-B-R-A-H-I-M-O-V-I-C, Ibrahimovic, and he is from Sweden. S-W-E-D-E-N. He is from Sweden. So this is the name and the name of the countries from to which these great footballers belong. तो ये फुटबॉलर्स और उनकी जो कंट्रीज हैं उनके नेम्स दिए हुए हैं जिनको बिलोंग करते हैं. सो देयर पिक्चर इज गिवन हियर ऑन द पेज नंबर 70. Okay, so with this we have completed this page, that is football fever. So still we are having some little bit time left. So now we will move to the next topic from the same unit number 7, that is given at page number 23. The topic is sports stars. So all of you kindly open your book at page number 23, that is sports stars. So I'm just changing the topic here. Page number is 23, that is sports stars. Okay, तो लिखिए. Okay, open your books and write down the today's date on it. That is sports stars, and this is given at page number 23. Okay, sports stars. So what is given in this? So as you can see, the pictures of various sports personalities is given here, and we have to identify the name of these sports stars, as well as we have to write the name. If possible, you can write the name of the game to which they belong. Okay, so किस game को belong करते हैं? So you can write the name. Okay, so first of all you need to write the name of these popular sports persons, and then we are going to write the name of name of their sports as well. Okay, so let's begin with it. So the first is the heading that is given over here is The heading is name these sports stars and the sports they are famous for. Use the help box. So we have to name these sports stars and the name of the sports as well. So who is he? He is Novak Djokovic. He is Novak Djokovic, and he is associated. Novak Djokovic is associated with lawn tennis. Novak Djokovic is associated with lawn tennis. So लिखिए first picture के नीचे लिखिए name and sports. The first picture is of Novak, Novak. Novak. Okay, just a minute. That is Novak, Novak. That is Novak Djokovic. D is silent. Okay, जिनका जो Novak Djokovic नहीं बोलना, that is Novak Djokovic. So Djokovic का जो D है, that will be silent, and he is associated with lawn tennis. So Novak Djokovic is associated with lawn tennis. So Novak Djokovic is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the second one. So second picture, she is the pride of our country and she also plays the tennis. So who is she? She is Sania Mirza. So who is she? She is Sania Mirza, and she is one of the proud lawn tennis player of our country, and she is Sania Mirza. Okay, so write down her name. She is Sania Mirza. She is Sania Mirza, and Sania Mirza is associated with lawn tennis. Sania Mirza is associated with lawn टेनिस. LAWN लॉन टेनिस. TENNIS. देखिए लॉन टेनिस जो नाम है, जो लॉन में खेला जाता है, ग्रास के ग्राउंड के ऊपर, लॉन के ऊपर खेला जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज लॉन टेनिस. और जो टेबल के ऊपर खेला जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज टेबल टेनिस. एंड सानिया मिर्जा एंड नोवाक जोकोविक, दे बोथ आर एसोसिएटेड विद लॉन टेनिस. मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द थर्ड वन. So look at the third picture, maybe you identify him. So who is he? He is Lionel Messi. अभी हमने फुटबॉल फीवर में इनके बारे में बात की थी, ये वही है. से he is Lionel Messi and he is associated with football. So Lionel Messi is associated with football. तो लिखिए, that is Lionel Messi, LIONEL, Lionel Messi, LESSI, and Lionel Messi is associated with football. He is associated with football. So Lionel Messi is associated with football. Moving next to the fourth one. So let's see the fourth picture. So who is he? He is Vijender Kumar. He is Vijender Kumar and he is associated with boxing. तो इन्होंने इंडिया के लिए ओलंपिक्स में मेडल जीता था इन द बॉक्सिंग. ओके, एंड सबसे इनको बहुत ही गॉट फेम एंड नेम एंड फेम आफ्टर हिज विन इन द ओलंपिक्स. कभी रिसेंटली बेटा हमारे इंडिया ने सिल्वर मेडल जीता है. ओके, इन द वेट लिफ्टिंग, और नो सॉरी, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम. दिस इज मीराबाई चागू. आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ द गेम. शायद वो वेट लिफ्टिंग ही था. ओके, सो तो वैसे ही विजेंद्र सिंह ने भी हमारे इंडिया के लिए ओलंपिक्स में मेडल जीता था एंड ही हैज़ वॉन दैट मेडल इन बॉक्सिंग. तो उनको वो मेडल किस में मिला था? बॉक्सिंग में. द फोर्थ पिक्चर इज ऑफ विजेंद्र सिंह. सो राइट डाउन हिज नेम. विजेंद्र, VIJENDER. विजेंद्र सिंह. ही इज विजेंद्र सिंह and he is associated with boxing. He is associated with boxing. Okay, so these are the names of the some of the great players and their name of the sports with which they are associated. So let's revise it. Novak Djokovic is associated with lawn tennis. Sania Mirza is associated with lawn tennis. Lionel Messi is associated with football, and Vijender Singh is associated with boxing. Chaliye, moving next to the fifth picture that is given at page number 23. So now we are moving to the fifth picture. So fifth picture is, first of all pay attention to the fifth picture. So who is he? He is Usain Bolt, the fastest man of the world. Okay, तो उसेन बोल्ट क्या है, वो दुनिया के सबसे फास्टेस्ट मतलब बहुत तेज भागने वाले एथलीट है. So he is associated with athletics and he is the most fastest athlete. He is the fastest athlete in the world and he is Usain Bolt. कौन है, क्या नाम है, इनका नाम है बेटा, he is Usain Bolt. So write down his name, Usain, U-S-A-I-N, Usain Bolt, B-O-L-T, Bolt, and Usain Bolt is associated with athletics, A-T-H-L-E-T-I-C-S, that is athletics. So Usain Bolt is associated with athletics. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth one is, okay, so you can see the picture of the sixth person here. So who is he? He is a very famous South African cricket player. He is AB de Villiers. He also plays in the IPL for the IPL in the Bangalore team, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and he is AB de Villiers. So he is a cricketer. AB de Villiers, he is a cricketer and he plays as a member of the Royal Challengers Bangalore team. Okay, so but he is an international player, cricket player, and basically he belongs to South Africa. So likhiye, so sixth name of the second person is, that is A-B-D Villiers, V-I, just a second, he is A-B-D Villiers, V-I-L-L-I-E-R-S. So he is AB de Villiers and AB de Villiers is associated with cricket. So he is a South African cricket player. So he is AB de Villiers. Okay. Moving next to the seventh one. Okay, so let's see the seventh picture of the seventh sports personality. Who is she? She is Serena Williams. She is Serena Williams and Serena Williams is associated with lawn tennis. She is one of the greatest player of the lawn tennis and she is from America, USA. Serena Williams and her sister Venus Williams, they both play for their country. Okay, but she is Serena Williams and Serena Williams is associated with lawn tennis. S-E-R-E-N-A, Serena Williams, W-I-L-L-I-A-M-S. She is Serena Williams and Serena Williams is associated with lawn tennis. She is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the eighth one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so who is he? So he is Floyd Mayweather. He is Floyd Mayweather and he is associated with boxing. He is associated with boxing. So who is he? He is Floyd Mayweather Jr. and he is associated with boxing. So write down his name. That is Floyd, F-L-O-Y-D, Floyd Mayweather, M-A-Y-W-E-A-T-H-E-R, Floyd Mayweather Jr. and he is associated with boxing. He is associated with boxing. Okay, so this is the name of all the sports personalities whose picture is given here. So this is the answer from 5th to 8th. So 5th is Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is associated with athletics. Next is AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers is associated with cricket. Next is Serena Williams. She is associated with lawn tennis. And the last is Floyd Mayweather and she is associated with boxing. Okay. So this was from page number 23 and with this as well, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session So till then everybody, have a great day.